Okay, lovely people, I'm gonna show you how to make the best bacon bits and cheeky little tiny croutons. Amazing. Great for pimping up any salad. First of all, get yourself some lovely, high quality, streaky bacon. Slice up the bacon into little matchsticks. Get yourself a pan on a low heat and sprinkle the bacon in. We don't need to use any oil because there's lovely natural fat that will cook straight out. Toss around and shake flat so that all the bacon covers the bottom of the pan. Allow it to fry and toss every now and again until it's nice and golden. Then add a little handful of breadcrumbs. Turn the heat down and toast until really gorgeous and golden. And then sprinkle over whatever you like. Pasta dishes, raviolis, stews, soups, or even a delicious fresh cold salad. So there you go guys, simple but very delicious. Until next time, bye.